But they all discouraged him that he could not find another job at his age. Okay. Everyone in that family said that as Robert Baldwin was old in age, he was unable to find any other job. Okay. They said he was Gresham's friend and so he would not be trusted and he would not be given jobs anywhere. Okay. If Robert Baldwin saved Gresham accepting his offer $100,000, Gresham would continue running his bank and he would become a partner with Gresham by investing back the money offered by Gresham in his bank, said John. ஸோ என்ன சொல்ல வராங்கன்னா எல்லாருமே அவர் டிஸ்கரேஜ் பண்ணுறாங்க இந்த ஏஜில் அவரால் வந்து ஜாப் வாங்க முடியாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் அவர் ஜான் கிரஷமுடைய ஃப்ரெண்டாக இருக்கார், அதனால் யாரும் ட்ரஸ்ட் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க, ஜாபும் தர மாட்டாங்க. அதே அந்த அமௌண்ட்டை அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு அவர் வந்து ஜான் கிரஷமை ரிலீஸ் பண்ணால் அவர் அகைன் அந்த பேங்கை கண்டினியூ பண்ணுவார். ஸோ ராபர்ட் பவுல்வின் என்ன பண்ணலாம், அவர்கிட்ட ஒரு அமௌண்ட் வாங்குறாரு இல்லையா, அதை மறுபடியும் அங்கேவே இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அவருக்கு பார்ட்னராக ஆகிடலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஜான் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கான். But Baldwin said that people would not trust Gresham if he continued his business because he made a mistake. He misappropriated the depositors' amount from the bank. Okay. To that, John said, if so, he could do business with somebody else. Okay. Unless you would be there, John Gresham would join with some other else to continue his job. Baldwin got very angry with the entire family and shouted that they are all hypocrites. Okay. ஸோ என்ன பண்ணுறாருன்னா ராபர்ட் பால்வின் பயங்கர கோபமாயிட்டு அவங்க என்டையர் ஃபேமிலி அந்த ஃபேமிலி முழுவதும் பயங்கரமாக கத்திடுறாரு. அவங்க எல்லாம் எப்படி இருக்காங்கன்னா ஹிப்போக்ரைட்ஸாக இருக்காங்க, அந்த டைமுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி மாறிறவங்களாக இருக்கிறாங்க. Then there comes Mr. Marshall. Already we know he is one of the characters in this lesson. Marshall, the president of Third National Bank. Okay. Then there comes Mr. Marshall, the president of Third National, and he offered a position to Baldwin in his bank. Everyone was surprised. Okay. After the problem, Robert Baldwin was jobless. When the conversation was going on among the family members, Mr. Marshall came there. He was the president of Third National Bank and he offered a position in his bank. So everyone was surprised. He continues. He refers to Mr. Marshall. Mr. Marshall continued that he visited Gresham at jail that afternoon. Okay. And Gresham had told him that as Baldwin was very honest person, he would not accept the offer and definitely he would not say lie to save him. And also Gresham had praised Baldwin highly that no amount of money would make him do what he thought wrong. எந்த அமௌண்ட்டும் அவன் எதை தப்பு நினைக்கிறானோ அதுக்கு அகெயின்ஸ்டாக பேச வைக்காதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவனை ஹை லெவலில் புகழ்ந்திருக்காரு ஜான் கிரஷம். ஓகே. Being unwilling to embarrass Baldwin by going to trial, Gresham had confessed his crime and the whole world, the entire world, will honor Baldwin the next day, says Mr. Marshall. Mr. Marshall told that John Gresham knew very well about Robert Baldwin, how much he offered him. Certainly, he would not say any lie. So, John Gresham accepted his crime. The whole world would honor Baldwin because of his good behavior against bribe. So everyone was shocked. Everyone was shocked and emotional after hearing this news from Mr. Marshall. Okay, the family members was very shocked because so far they had been trying to convince Robert Baldwin to accept the money, but now Mr. Marshall told big surprise news to them. So everyone was shocked. Thus, ஆகையால் Baldwin's honesty was rewarded. Already we know, my dear students, honesty is the best policy. So we must follow at any time honesty in our life. So the final moment or the climax of the story proved that the title, the hour of truth, it signifies the eternal truth, permanent truth. Truth always triumphs. வாய்மையே எப்பொழுதும் வெல்லும். Okay.